Oppo announced the F11 Pro, a mid-range phone with a 6.53-inch screen with 1080p without notches and a selfie-type pop-up camera. It is quite similar to the positioning of Vivo's new V15 Pro, although with slightly lower specifications. The F11 Pro has a MediaTek Helio P70 processor, 4GB or 6GB of RAM and a 4000 mAh battery that can be quickly charged with Oppo's VOOC 3.0 technology. There is a conventional fingerprint capacitive sensor on the back, which has a unique red-black-blue gradient effect. Like the V15 Pro, it has the clearly retro eye/show combination of a headphone jack and a micro USB port. The emerging selfie camera of the F11 Pro is mounted directly in the center of the top edge of the phone. It is housed in the 48-megapixel rear-facing camera as in the Vivo V15 Pro, although the protrusion is a bit smaller here. This may be because the 16-megapixel sensor takes up less space than Vivo's 32-megapixel component. The ascending unit of the F11 Pro is actually transparent on the sides, what Oppo says was inspired by amber and makes the phone look like a bottle of perfume ready to be opened. Which, great.